Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial, using the i2c lcd16x2 with Raspberry Pi and Python. Overview. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to connect an i2c 16x2 LCD display to a Raspberry Pi and control it using Python. The i2c protocol allows multiple devices to communicate over just 2 wires, which makes it perfect for connecting an LCD display to a Raspberry Pi. ### requirements. 1. Hardware. Raspberry Pi, any model with GPIO pins. i2c 16x2 LCD display, with an i2c backpack. Jumper wires. Breadboard, optional. 2. Software. Raspbian OS installed on Raspberry Pi. Python 3. Required Python libraries. ### Step 1, wiring the LCD to Raspberry Pi. 1. Connections. Connect the i2c LCD to the Raspberry Pi as follows. LCD pin, Raspberry Pi pin. GND VCC5V SDA GPIO2 SDA SCL GPIO3 SCL. Ensure that your connections are secure. ### Step 2, enable i2c on Raspberry Pi. 1. Open a terminal on your Raspberry Pi. 2. Run the following command to open the Raspberry Pi configuration tool. 3. Navigate to interfacing options i2c and enable it. 4. Exit the configuration tool and reboot your Raspberry Pi. ### Step 3, install required software packages. 1. Update your package list. 2. Install the i2c tools. 3. Install the Python library for working with LCDs. ### Step 4, find the i2c address of the LCD. 1. Use the i2c tools to detect the address of your LCD. You should see a grid with addresses. The address of the LCD will typically be 0x27 or 0x3f. Note down this address. ### Step 5, write Python code to control the LCD. Now, let's write a Python script to display text on the LCD. 1. Create a new Python file. 2. Add the following code to the file, replacing 0x27 with your LCD's address if it's different. 3. Save and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. ### Step 6, run the Python script. 1. Run the script with Python 3. 2. You should see hello, world, on the first line and Raspberry Pi on the second line of the LCD. After 5 seconds, it will display goodbye, for 2 seconds. ### Conclusion. You've successfully set up an i2c 16x2 LCD with your Raspberry Pi and written a simple Python program to display text. This setup can be expanded to show sensor data, system status, or any information you find useful. Feel free to experiment with the code, try displaying different messages, or even integrate it with sensors or other components. Happy coding!